I'm Architect Marlon Iduaza. I'm the president of the United Architects of the Philippines La Union chapter. I think the first time that we met him was when we gave a wheelchair. No? And then we realized na yung kanyang kalagayan dito sa Ilocanos is not so good. No? So we, with the help and also with the initiative of Love Radio through Wally, they tapped us as architects na sana makagawa tayo ng isang tirahan, isang tahanan para kay Mang Jose. Actually, yun din yung gusto ng mga architects na magkaroon ng isang safe at maayos na tahanan ng bawat isa. I think this will be not the first na pwede mangyari, but ito pa siguro yung maging precedent pa sa mga susunod na House of Love na gagawin ng UAP La Union and Love Radio and RCSFLU.